Okay. Flower. Chestnut Hill Flower and Garden Store. I think I might pop in here before I leave. So I just left Chestnut Hills Farmers Market. So if you love flowers, you could come here as well. It's not far away from Chestnut Hills Farmers Market. They do have some fruits as well at the front. And at the back, I could see they have flowers. So I'm going to see if I could get inside. Hello, good morning. How are you? I'm just recording for YouTube. That's okay? All right, thank you. All right. So they have some corn, fruits and veg as well. Beautiful. So here we are, flowers garden. If you're in this area, you could get flower pots. Okay, they also have Mali, my son is right here. I could see that they have some herbs. Okay, so you could get herbs, thyme, rosemary. Did I see rosemary? Thyme, definitely thyme. You've got tomato and some peppers right here. That's the price for them. Yep. We are still in Chestnut Hill, but now we're at the flower and garden spot. Okay, wow, look at that, beautiful. Okay. I will definitely come back, talk to the owners, to find out how long they've been here, get some more details. But today, just recording what you could come and buy, what you could come and get for your house or for your outdoor space. Beautiful. So I'm going to go further down to the back. Okay. It's lovely customers, some customers. Beautiful. They got a variety of different flowers, and I also saw, what was there, like some let's see if I see the name for this instead of guessing. I think these are like outdoor accessories. Can I say that? Ooh, look at this lovely basket. This is nice, and it's quite light. This is light. So if you like stuff like this, you could get it as well. Oh, wow. Oh, this is so cute. Creative. Oh, lovely, lovely stuff here. This is lovely. Okay. You've got this as well. That's the price for it there. Okay. Sorry. Succulent. What's that? Assorted succulents. $5.99. This is beautiful. And I'm sure they're not too heavy. Yeah, it's not heavy. It's light. It's light. Oops. Sorry about that. Let's fix that. Okay. Beautiful. So we just left the market and now we're here. As you can see, I'm surrounded by beautiful flowers, herbs, trees. What a day, what a way to start your day. Hey, 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 hey. Beautiful stuff for your garden. Okay, not far from German Town Avenue. Just trying to, show you some names of the streets. There you go. They also have These stuff here, is this fertilizer? What is this? Soil. Okay. Hanging basket. Great stuff, great stuff. I'm hoping I find a beautiful flower or something. So it's hard for me because I have the push chair. It's hard for me to record and push the stroller on this side. So I might stop this right here. Or let's see if I could get in here. Oi, Malike Baku. Yeah, it's a little bit difficult to get through the stones. Push this through the stones, okay. Okay. Customers looking to get something for their house. For their garden space. Okay. All different type of flowers. Showing you the prices as well. Different flowers, beautiful. These ones you could put outside your windows. So they have a different variety. Got my son down there. Oh, yellow. This is nice. This is nice. I'm also getting a beautiful scent. Oh, so calming right here. It's calming, peaceful. Okay. And right here, there, you could go inside and buy stuff, but I might come back some other time and talk to the owners and record inside, but I'm just here to record the outside part and just show you, it's like a introduction, because there's many more stuff in this location. If you can't hear me because the traffic, the cars, the vehicles, sorry about that, but yeah, it's a good vibe, man. Yeah. Oh, they got wood. Okay, let's do this last thing. If you're looking for woods and other stuff as well for outdoor space, they have it. Okay. Okay, it's quite busy. People coming out early to shop. I like these. These are lovely. Okay. Alright, thank you for watching part 2 of, hanging around Chestnut Hill. Thank you. Okay. Enjoy the rest of your day.